Let's go to challenge 5. Here is the PDF. This challenge is about Python. Take me to the code challenge. This PDF has 12 steps and it will take around 120 minutes. First we have to SSH into our system. So let's go to VS Code. Let's give here SSH. Then give password. I am now logged in. So let's go to the Unix System Services. Search for a file called code1.py. Here is code1.py. This is the code1.py. We have to run this program by using this command python3 code1.py. So we'll go to the terminal and enter here python3 code1.py. Enter. So this is the output of the code. Welcome to the code challenge. Current time is this one. We hope you have fun in this challenge. If you add up all the numbers in your user ID, you get 14. This is the output. Step 2 is just telling us more about this code so you can read it. Step 3 is telling us about extensions. We can install extensions related to Python in VS Code. So you can read about extensions in step 3. Let's go to step 4. In step 4, it is asking us to copy code2.py from zpublic to our own directory. So go to your terminal, give here the copy command, copy zpublic code2.py. Press enter. Then go to the Unix System Services, close and expand again. And you will see code.2py is there. Here is the code. Now in step 5, we have to change the word to pizza. So here is pumpkin, we have to change it to pizza. Control S to save. Now run this code again. And it is saying yes, the letter Z is in the word pizza. So step 5 is also complete. Let's go to step 6. Step 6 is just giving us more information about the Python code. So you can read it. Let's go to step 7. In step 7, we have to remove the hash symbol. Control save and then run this code. And then we have to test it by giving something else here. Instead of pizza, let's give something orange. Control S to save, then run the code. And you can see it is typing nope, the letter Z is not in the word orange. In step 8, we have to copy marbles.py from public to our home directory. So let's give here the copy command zpublic marbles.py. Let's close and open again. And you can see marbles.py is here. This is the code. In step 9, we have to uncomment lines number 13 and 14 and run the code. So this is 13. Let's remove the hash. Control S to save. Now let's run this code. Give here python 3 marbles.py. And this is the output of the code. It is showing us warning, you are running low on marbles, and so on till you have 1 marbles left. Then in this step it is telling us to change the program so that it looks like this. This is the screenshot. The code should look like this. So to do this, you have to change it here. Control S to save. Now again run the code. And here is the output. Let's see the screenshot. In screenshot, when you have 3 marbles, then also it should show that you are running low on marbles. So what you can do is, you can give here less than or equal to. Control S to save. Let's run the code again. and this is the output. The output is exactly like the one shown in the screenshot. Let's go to step 10. In step 10, it is asking us to print asterisks. So if there are 5 marbles left, you should give 5 asterisks. If you have 3 left, you should give 3 asterisks. This is the code that is given that we have to add in the code. So let's copy this, right click copy, and then we have to add here print marble dots and how many are left. Here we have given 6. 6 means 6 stars will be shown. Instead of this, if we give here marbles, then it will display the current marbles left. Copy this one and put it before this code. Let's control save. Let's run the code again. And you can see the star is coming before the line. 10 stars and then you have 10 marbles left. So step 10 is also complete. Let's go to step 11. In step 11 we have to add a code which should say you are all out of marbles. So let's add a print statement. In the end of the program, just give here print you are all out of the marbles. That's it. Control S and save. Let's run this code again. And you can see here you are all out of marbles. Now in the final step, that is step 12, we have to submit CHK code. So let's go to public.jcl, go to dataset. Here is CHK code. Right click and submit job. Job submitted 2 to 4. And now you can see condition code is 0. In spool also it is showing status correct. So let's go to the website. Let's go down. Challenge complete. Check my JCL. So refresh this page. Control F5. And you can see challenge number 5 is now complete. And challenge number 6 is now available.
If you like my videos, then you can support me by buying my mainframe course. After buying this course, you will get 19 hours of mainframe training. This course will teach you COBOL, JCL, vSAM, TSO, ISPF, Unix System Services and CICS. You can watch the free preview before buying my course. Make sure you buy the course using the referral link in the description.